warrior.
Hello everyone, my name is Alisia and welcome to a new video on this channel. Here we are just preparing to go to one of the biggest competitions in the world, Beast of the Barz. We will go by car to Budapest and from there we will take a flight to Sweden. My quick thoughts about this competition is I'm definitely not that prepared as I was for the World Championship, but still, yesterday I had my last training, which I'm not 100% satisfied because I failed a lot. I don't know. If someone prepared more and harder than me, they will probably beat me. Yeah, we will see. I will try, of course, my best. Let's go. It's good? Oh yeah, we are close to the border with Hungary.
Yeah, they have to pee.
You?
Yeah.
Me too. There is the border far, but we are here. Mom is going from car to car to ask people if they let us forward to catch our plane because we are starting to be in a hurry, you know. It's crazy. Look how far she got. Mom, you are just crazy. The people are human. We are here at Budapest airport. But who is there?
To the overhead compartment, thank you.
Happy birthday, Romania! But we are in Stockholm. Puppy is pooping. What the hell? So we are here at our accommodation. We arrived yesterday. Today we will go to the expo. Maybe I will take my camera and record there. We don't have competition. It's just Beast Wars.
Start to get anxious. That's when my thoughts can be dangerous. Third place, the winner in Beast of the Barz 2023 goes to Alisia. Second place, Alisia.
Yeah, what can I say? I'm very disappointed, and I don't know why. I don't know what is this feeling. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's hard to take second place. When everyone says that you're gonna win, you start to believe that. I'm happy that Mali won because I love her, but yeah.
108 push-ups later.
So it's second day after competition. Yeah, it was Mali's time. Hope we didn't take from her the joy. She really deserves what she got. Today we are going home at what time? We have the flight at 10 p.m.
Oh, 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 oh! Hey!
Yeah.
Easy, easy.
Whoa! And yeah, we are at the airport. This trip is almost over. What can I say? Everything is happening with a reason. Overall, it's ending like a good trip. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.